Hello guys, so we're going to go over today what is inside your box for your work at home. So the first thing we're going to go over, we'll go over one by one, is going to be your mouse. So this mouse will be issued to you as well as all the other items here. Your tower, your computer, is also going to be included with a power cable as well as your dongle. It's the same dongle that you use at work every day. So this will also be included, connected directly to your computer. The next thing that you will see is going to be your keyboard. All of these are USB, so it's the same items you use at home that you'll be using at work. So with that, it will plug directly into the back of the computer. The next thing is you're going to receive two monitors. Each of these monitors will have a power cable as well as a VGA cable with an adapter that connects to the back of the computer. And with that, you will have all the items you need to effectively work at home. So with that, if there's any questions, you're always welcome to reach out to us and we'll help you out with anything you need. All right guys, so we're going to put the equipment together. So this is going to be how you will set up your equipment at home. So first, what we're going to start with is going to be the easier stuff. So what we're going to start today is with your keyboard. It's simple, plug and play. It comes with the USB, so you just need to find the ports in the back of your tower computer. So there's 4 USB ports in the back of your computer. You should be able to just plug in, as simple as, sometimes you have to flip it around 100 times and it plugs right in. So your keyboard will be connected. If the power is connected to your tower, you should see a light come on the keyboard. The best way of testing that is just hit the number lock key. The light will show up under the number 1 and it will show that the power is working, that the keys are working as well. That's how you will be able to tell if that keyboard is getting power. The next thing is your mouse. So with your mouse, it's the same as the keyboard. It is a USB. You plug it in right next to the keyboard. Might have to flip it around. If it is plugged in, the power is going to the computer. You'll see that the red light on the bottom will be red. That means that there's power going to the mouse. The next thing is your dongle. It is already zip tied to your computer. If it isn't, that's fine, but it is also a USB. It'll go in right next to your keyboard and your mouse, right in the back. You can test that, see if it's getting the power by pushing the mute or the call, and it will either light up green for the call or red for the mute. The next thing after that is going to be your monitors. So you'll notice that there's 2 different ends on each of the monitors. A blue end, which is your VGA cable, and the other blue end with the black adapter, that is going to be a VGA with an adapter. They plug into 2 different spots on the back of your computer. So we'll start with the VGA. So it's very simple, blue to blue. So you line up the pins with the back of your computer. Sorry, let me flip that around. And then you twist in the screws. That'll secure it to the computer. The next thing is real easy. It's just like the USB. You take the adapter part and you will plug it in right below the blue. So there's a little adapter and it should just go right in there. Might have to flip it around like me 100 times. 1 second. There we go. So it plugs in right there. And lastly is going to be your Ethernet cable. With your Ethernet cable, if we supplied you one, it's going to look just like this. You may have one yourself at home. It's both the same. This is what they call a Cat5 cable. A Cat5 cable will go right below your USBs. It plugs in, it looks like a big phone cord. It should plug in just like this. Oh, sorry, it's sideways. And this will go to your router. So your router usually has more than 3 ports. You plug it into each port, it doesn't matter which one you plug it into, and you'll all be set up. So from there, you should have everything connected. If you turn the power on to the computer, you should see that the monitors will light up if you turned in the power to the monitors. So make sure that you have enough plugs at home for each of your monitors and the tower. You shouldn't need another plug for any of the other devices because they all are going to be powered through the computer itself. So if you have any difficulties, reach out, but you should be good to go once you do all of the instructions that I set up for you.